Welcome to Singing with Ron! In this next video, I want to give you a little exercise that helps you to release. And basically, a lot of singers suffer from tension as they're singing. And at the end of a very long phrase, they feel really, really tight. And then they take a breath and they go, and things just get even tighter. So what this exercise is going to help you do is to find the release that you need on every inhalation to let go of your abs, to let go of your support very, very quickly, and which really helps to set you up for the next phrase. So the exercise is going s, 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 s. So what I'm doing is I'm just going s, and feeling like I'm doing it right from below my belly button. So here's my belly button right from there. And then I'm not breathing in, I'm just letting go. So from the side, it looks like this. Then what you can do is eventually just take like a little inhalation. So you go and so that inhalation is not going and creating a whole bunch of tension. It's just a little bit of air that goes back in as you let all of your guts just drop on down. So I hope you find that exercise really, really helpful. It really helped me to learn how to release on every breath. Great, thank you.